my brother's 88 Stangerang. Crank it up. Fuel pump on. Let's listen to it. Mostly stock 5.0 goodness. It sounds good. It feels, shifts good. It's got a shift kit in it. All right, we're working on my brother's 88 Mustang again, and this is everything that we're going to put on. Hopefully. We got headers, plugs, push rods, distributor cap, some nitrous stuff, MSD box, and you said we have roller rockers? Richard, did you say you have roller rockers?
Yeah, in here in the bottom.
Oh, yep, I overlooked them. And roller rockers, so we'll see how this goes. Alright, so we're just going to do a quick walk around. Like I already mentioned, it's an 88, so it's a speed density car. Stock head, stock cam. We're in the middle of changing the thermostat right now. It's got some cool looking weld wheels on it. It's got a shift kit in the trans. It's an AOD car. 8.8 rear end with 373s. And it's multicolored awesomeness. Moving forward. Alright, so underneath this valve cover we have a set of, what are they, 1.7? Yeah, they're 1.7 roller rockers.
Yeah, factory on a 93 Cobra.
Yep. So you can't see that, but if you come around to the other side, you see my brother putting the other set on as we speak. He's already got one of the equal length headers on. We're in the process of putting the other motor mount on, and then we got to do the headers and the motor mounts on the other side, and plenty more. Alright, we've been working on this car till dark. We've been defeated. We've ate dinner. Then we had some better luck changing motor mounts. Got the shorty long tubes back in.
Equal length.
Sorry, shorty equal length. I'm tired.
It's been a long day.
Shorty equal length long tubes.
No, not long tubes.
The roller rockers behind that valve cover. Another set of roller rockers behind this valve cover. Richard's mounting the nitrous. Alright, so we're going to wrap it up. We almost got the entire engine put back together. We had to call it quits because the nitrous management unit wasn't acting right. So that's something for a later day to troubleshoot. But overall, we had a lot of fun doing this. So that's it. We really wanted to finish with plenty of time to take some test hits on the nitrous, maybe even go to the track. We just ran out of time, and I ran out of steam about 3 hours before Richard threw in the towel. But the nitrous management unit wasn't coming on. So he ended up, after I left, he ended up taking it from the switch to the solenoids. And he's made a couple of hits, and he says it feels pretty awesome, which I can imagine that would feel pretty cool. I think he's doing a 75 shot right now. But yeah, I wish we could get some footage of that, but I don't know if his phone's compatible or whatever the problem is, but we're just gonna have to end it here. But thank you for watching.